Hi everyone, back with another review on the Roseselsa Distant Mountain on-ear headphones. It's kind of a funny name, Distant Mountain. They also have Haruka Yama written on there. I'm not sure what that means. These were originally released November 2024 for $70 US. These are very high quality on-ear headphones. Usually on-ear headphones are like lowest tier headphones. These kind of reminded me of the Koss Porta Pro style of on-ear headphones. Here's the image of the Distant Mountain. It kind of reminded me of the Porta Pro, which is a classic 1970s. Koss is calling this a 1990s design. I'm not really sure when this design came out, but overall it is an aesthetic style of headphone. They also sell a few other type of products. They sell wireless earbuds, IEMs, DACs, amps, another set of Bluetooth over-ear headphones. Those actually look kind of nice, and those are cheaper than these. They also sell this $600 kind of crazy amp, which looks pretty nice. I'd like to try that. They include 2 replacement ear cups, and they give you a nice braided cord. One thing I thought was funny is they give you this anime waifu. You don't need to include this. No one asked for this. Anyways, these sound pretty good, and the design quality is very nice. Listen to this metal slide. Okay, thanks for listening to all those headphone ASMR sounds. Essentially, I do think the clamping force on these headphones is too strong. I have a big head, and these are kind of uncomfortable on me after 15 minutes. These do have a built-in mic, so a TRRS cable. So if you have that plugged in your phone, that should sound pretty good. I'm not going to do a microphone example because these are wired. It should just sound good, not like a Bluetooth earbud. You have to really push and jam these in. You can hear that click. That's how you know it's in, but it does take an unusual amount of force to get that in there. I think they need to add a tilt function to the ear cups so that they can tilt towards your ear more. For me, it just wasn't the right angle, and they have to clamp pretty hard because the band isn't very big. I listened to these for a number of hours, for a few days actually, and they sound really good. They're aesthetic. I think they look good. But for me, the fit isn't there, so I can't wear these for a long time without being uncomfortable. So if you have a smaller head, I think these will fit you well. But for me, a larger head, not so much. Overall, it's aesthetic, sounds good, 7 out of 10. Microphone, I'm not going to rate because it's wired. Comfort, 4 out of 10 for me. And style, 9 out of 10. It's very aesthetic. I do think it looks great and very well made overall. So for $70, it's pretty good, in my opinion.